Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Many birds molt just prior to migration to take advantage of more aerodynamic feathers that make flight easier and more efficient. Birds also change their behavior during migration to make the journey safer. Many birds fly at higher altitudes during migration than they would for shorter flights, for example 24 December 2020.
Take our lead.
Due to the lack of studies monitoring the sleep patterns of flying birds, these hypotheses had previously been left unconfirmed. Now, however, according to a new study from the Max Planck Institute for Ornithology, researchers have finally found evidence that birds do indeed sleep while flying. 4 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Migratory birds, like this American robin, may return to the same place year after year. Many migratory songbirds return to the same local area, and often to the exact same territory, each spring, even after traveling thousands of miles to and from their wintering grounds. 1 April 2009.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Biologists who fitted GPS trackers to the aptly named wandering albatross have discovered that these large birds can travel at least 15,000 kilometers, just under 10,000 miles, over the sea before returning to land. That's like flying non-stop from Houston, Texas to Perth, Australia. Many commercial jets cannot do that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.